Hello students, as we know in earlier video practical performance, we have performed addition of two 8-bit number by using 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. In this video practical lecture, we are going to perform a second practical of 8085 microprocessor, that is subtraction of two 8-bit number by using this 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. So watch this video correctly. Thank you. Hello students, in this video practical lecture we are going to perform our second practical of 8085 microprocessor. In this practical we are going to perform a subtraction of two 8-bit number by using 8085 trainer kit. By using assembly language program and opcode, we are going to write a program here for doing a subtraction between two 8-bit number. For that we have here program, that is the program is subtract two 8-bit numbers at 2100H and 2101H memory location. So what program means here? We have a two different address location given in the program, that is 2100H and 2101H, where we have to store the operand, or maybe we can call it we have to store the input data. After that we are going to watch the output at the address location 2102H. Okay, so output is what going to be at this address location and input is what ultimately we have to write on this address locations. Okay, so program for assembly program for doing a subtraction is was shown here. So this is a mnemonics for your program. It means assembly language program is there. According to this assembly language program, we have codes here, that is opcodes, and these opcodes we have to write on different address locations starting from 2000 and ends at 20008. Okay, so we are going to start writing the program by using 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. So as we are watching in the video, this is nothing but the trainer kit of 8085 microprocessor. By using this trainer kit, we have to execute the program. So basic of this trainer kit is what we have already explained in our first practical video. So please watch that first practical video. In this video, we are going to start the execution directly. Okay, so what ultimately we have to do, we have to write opcodes on different address location. Before that, we have to specify the operands. How to specify that operand in a program? We have two address location given there, that is 2100H and 2101H. At this address location, we have to provide two operands. For that, we have to write that operand on an address location. So first, select the address location by pressing real examine. After that, press the address location, that is 2100. At this address location, we have to provide a first operand. So choose any number. I am choosing here 05. 05 is our first operand. After that, press MEMC next. And second address location is what going to appear there, that is 2101. At this address location, we have to provide the next operand. So press MEMC next. Write your second operand there. The second operand is 05. So 02 maybe we are going to consider a 02 here. After that, press MEMC next. At 2102, we have to get a output there. Okay, so press a 00 here. Now, we have initialized the input. Now press the reset. What we have to do now? We have to write the opcodes on different memory address locations. So we have to start writing the program from address location 2000 and have to end the program at 2008. For that, press real examine again and select the first address location, that is 2000. At this address location, we have to write a first opcode. So press MEMC next and first opcode is 21. So enter 21. After that, press MEMC next. Press 00 at second address location. Then MEMC next. Provide third opcode, that is 21 on third address location. After that, we have 2003 where we have to write the opcode, that is 7E. After that, press MEMC next. After that, Next location is there where we have to write opcode 23. Press MEMC next again. After that, next location is there where we have to write a new opcode, that is 96. Press MEMC next again. Then we have to write a opcode, that is 23. Press MEMC next again. Then we have a 200 address location where we have to write 77. This is the opcode for move M, A. Then MEMC next. We have 2008 address location where we have to write a last opcode, that is EF. Now press MEMC next. Now we have written every single thing from address location 2000 to 2008. Okay, what we have to do now? We have to execute the program. For that we have to press a reset. After pressing a reset, press go to execute the program. Press go. After pressing go, write the address location from which we have started writing the program. So press 2000. From this location we have started writing our program. So press dot fill here. So after pressing dot fill, your program is what get executed. Now press reset. What we have to do? We have to examine the result. So result is ultimately going to stored at the address location 2102. So press real examine for checking the address. Real examine. After that, address location, that is 2102, and press MEMC next for checking the result. So press it. Ultimately result is 03. Why 03? Because first operand is 05 and second operand is 02. So if we are subtracting this 2 8-bit number, ultimately the result of this operation is 03. Now if we want to change the operand, simply press reset button. Now first operand is what we have written at the address location 2100. Press real examine first. Reset, then real examine. First we have written the operand at 2100. So press 2100 and press MEMC next. So first operand is 5, so we can change it to 08. So we have changed the first operand. Second operand is stored at 2102. So we are placing here 003 here. Okay, so 03 is what a second operand. Now press MEMC next. At this address location we are going to get the output. So press 00 and press MEMC next and reset. Now we have changed the operands. Now we have to check the result of that. For that we have to execute the program again. For executing the program again, press go button. After that, write the address location from which we have started writing the program, that is 2000, and press dot fill. Your program is what executed with a new operands. Now check the result of new operand subtraction. For that, press real examine and write the address location where we are going to get our result, that is 2102, and press MEMC next. So ultimately 5 is the output. Why 5 is the output of that? Because first operand is 8 and second operand is 3. So 8 minus 3 is ultimately 05 is what our output we have observed here. So in this video practical lecture, we have studied in detail about the subtraction of 2 8-bit number by using this 8085 trainer kit. Thank you for watching this video.